Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to enable light theme on web browser in your PC. It's very simple and easy. Now let's start. First, open web browser on your PC. Then go to the top right corner and click on three bar menu. Now at the bottom you can find settings option. Now click on this. Then go to the left side and click on appearance. Then go to the center and at the appearance tab you can find an option that is wrap colors. Now drop down here and you can see three options. One is same as Windows, that means it prefer to your Windows theme. If your Windows theme is light, then it will be light. If your Windows theme is dark, it will be dark. And another is selective dark and another is selective light. To set light theme on your web browser, then select light. It will be individual light theme for your web browser. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech video like this. Thank you.